Hi, Dr. Peter Petropoulos from Potomac Medical Aesthetics. Thanks for watching this video. Today, I'm just going to talk a bit about what we do here in our practice, just a generalized overview so that when you are ready for your consultation, you'll have a better understanding of what procedures and what services we provide. So we provide non-surgical procedures that have become the most sought after procedures in the industry. And the reason the non-surgicals have become so popular is that patients really want great results without having extraordinarily long downtimes. And most patients don't want surgery. And ever since the advent of the non-surgical approaches in the early 2000s, they've become dramatically improved so that younger patients are coming to us and patients are getting great results and going back to work the same day or having procedures with minimal recovery. So that's what we do. We do all the non-surgical approaches that are really sought after. So during your consultation, we're going to talk about anything that you have questions about. We're going to go over any of your concerns. We're going to start off with a Visia analysis, which is right behind me. So we take a high definition picture of your skin and address any concerns that you may have. Then we talk to you about all of the potential services that you could get here. So just to give you a general overview, we do a lot of Botox and dysport. So Botox and dysport are very popular, and what they do is that they relax the muscle in the face. So if I had any Botox or dysport in my face, I would not be able to do this or to do this, causing wrinkling right in the forehead and in the 11 lines. Excuse me. And then popular site would be the crow's feet, so that when you smile, you don't see those wrinkles that are forming. So I purposely have not treated myself recently so that you can see what the concerns are that Botox and dysport really work very well. Botox is by one manufacturer, dysport is by another. We do a lot of filler. So most people know filler by the names of Juvederm or Restylane. So when we do filler, they're injectable gels that we put primarily in the cheeks or here what we call the nasolabial folds or the marionettes. We can do it in the temple. We can do it in a lot of areas of the body, but those are the big areas. And so filler is an injectable gel that helps lift the face, blunt some of the sharp angles that have occurred over time so that there is less of a deep tissue fold. And that's what Restylane and Juvederm are known for. We pick the appropriate type of filler based on what concerns that we're addressing and what the patient's chief concerns are, then we will give you recommendations on that. So we also do a lot of laser procedures for skin disorders such as pigmentation, brown spots, red blood vessels. We do a lot of broadband light or BBL treatments. The generic term is something called IPL or intense pulse light. So those are very popular procedures to help improve the look of the skin, to improve the brightness, the reflectivity, brown spots, red blood vessels, fine wrinkles. So that's what laser and BBL services do. As a physician, I can prescribe actually prescription grade skincare. And so that's one advantage of coming to a practice that's run by a physician, is that you will get a very in-depth skin analysis and recommendations with procedures and treatments that are prescription grade. So we do a lot of that here. Coolsculpting is our #1 procedure. Coolsculpting is a non-surgical fat reduction procedure that's the #1 most popular in the United States. Unwanted fat is the #1 cosmetic concern in the United States, and so we do a lot of Coolsculpting. We've become very busy with Coolsculpting, and it is a great procedure. There are some patients that are not candidates, so the consultation serves as an idea of whether or not a patient is an appropriate candidate and to also generate a cost and a treatment plan. But there are many patients that we say, look, surgery is possibly the best alternative, whether it be on facial skin looseness, neck looseness, or on unwanted fat. Sometimes we still will refer out to plastic surgeons, and we have some great surgeons that we work with to ensure that our patients get great results. We also do a lot of PRP or platelet-rich plasma procedures. Platelet-rich plasma is a part of your blood that we re-inject in various areas, including the face, and in the genital area that we do the P shot and the O shot to help bring back blood flow and to improve concerns that PRP can address very well. Our estheticians here are first rate. They do medical grade facials, which are something that are above and beyond what you get typically at a typical salon. They also do services called dermaplaning to remove unwanted peach fuzz, and microblading, which is a semi-permanent tattooing of the eyebrows to really give a beautiful, natural, aesthetic look to the eyebrows. We also do laser hair removal, and so that's another service that is very common that I forgot to mention. So during the consultation, what we do is we go over your specific concerns, and then knowing what it is that these treatments can give you benefit from, we often answer a lot of questions and a lot of different concerns, and we're happy to do so. The initial consultation is not a one-time only thing. It's usually just the tip of the iceberg. So we get to know our patients very well. We love having our patients come back. We are always doing little mini consultations while they're doing procedures, or while they're here for their facials or any sort of other services that they might be here for. But it's an ongoing relationship, and just like with any physician, the more that we have good interaction and clarify questions and answer your concerns, the better the results will be. And we're always looking to get the best results and to make our patients as satisfied as they can be. And that's my job with the consultation, is to go over concerns and give realistic expectations and treatment options. Thanks for checking it out, and hope to see you soon.